In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record spending transactions in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or simply brushing up on your accounting skills, this guide will make the process seamless and straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, begin by turning your attention to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll notice a plus icon, which is your starting point for a variety of transaction entries. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu appears, and you'll want to select the option labeled Spend Money. This is the specific feature we use to log any business-related expenses or spending activity. Selecting Spend Money brings us to the next step, which involves choosing the right account for the transaction in question. This critical step specifies exactly where the transaction is taking or has taken place, which ensures accuracy in your records. You might be wondering why this is necessary. Choosing the correct account is crucial because it helps maintain an accurate track of funds moving out of your business, aligning everything precisely within your financial statements. So, you'll see a list of accounts. These could range from various bank accounts to credit card accounts. Carefully select the one that pertains to your expense, and then click on Next to move forward. Now, we arrive at the heart of the transaction entry process, the section where you input the details of your expenditure. Think of this as narrating the story behind the transaction. You'll need to fill in specifics such as the total amount spent, the name of the supplier or vendor, the date when the transaction occurred, and any pertinent reference or description. These details are not just formalities, they play a role in ensuring clarity and precision in financial reporting, making it easy for you to backtrack if you need to reference this transaction in the future. Once you've thoughtfully entered all these details, the final step is to click the Save button. And just like that, you've successfully recorded a spending transaction in Xero. It's a simple process that, when done correctly, keeps your financial records accurate and up to date. Regularly recording these transactions will also provide insights into your spending habits and help you manage cash flows effectively. Remember, consistency is key in maintaining sound financial health for your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to record spending transactions in Xero. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it demystifies the process a bit more for you. Keep recording those expenses, and as always, stay on top of your finances. Until next time, happy accounting.